Hello, friends. Today, I will tell you about one of the most anticipated openings of 2025, the luxurious Royal Atlantis Icon 5 Ats Hotel, which is located in the picturesque village of Gundudu, just 13 kilometers from the center of Side. If you dream of a vacation where every detail is thought out to the smallest detail, then this hotel is exactly what you need. 486 spacious rooms in a modern style, some of which have an exit from the balcony directly to the pool. Imagine, you wake up, take a step out of the room, and here you are already in the water. And the rooms have everything for comfort: a capsule coffee machine, a mini bar, robes and slippers. For lovers of water activities, this is a real paradise. An aqua park with slides for adults and children, several outdoor and indoor pools, including children's, and also water gymnastics, yoga, and beach volleyball. The gastronomy at Royal Atlantis Icon is a separate holiday. Restaurants with international, Mexican, Italian, and Turkish cuisine, a lobby bar, a beach bar, and even a disco bar. And the ultra all-inclusive system includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks 24 hours a day. For the little guests, a separate world. A children's club with animation, play areas, swimming pools, and even a children's buffet in the restaurant. While the children are having fun, parents can relax in the spa center with a Turkish bath and massages. The hotel beach is sand and pebble, located 360 meters away. Transfer to the beach club is free, and here you can also do water sports. Royal Atlantis Icon 5 is not just a hotel. It is a place where every detail is created for your comfort and pleasure. Are you ready for the vacation of your dreams? Subscribe to our channel to be the first to know more about the new hotel. Like if you liked the review, and share the video with your friends who are already dreaming of a vacation in 2025.